What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to become a YouTube partner by enabling monetization. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, in the previous videos I showed you how to make a Google account, how to make a YouTube account, how to upload a video, how to verify your account status. Now in this video we will enable monetization and show you how to become a YouTube partner. So let's go. Okay, click channel. The account status is verified. If you have copyright strikes or whatever, you cannot become a YouTube partner, or they will eliminate your monetization. You won't see that. They will take it away because of the copyrighted content. So make sure your account status is clear, good standing, it's all verified. And now we will click this button called enable. Your account is not enabled for monetization. Enabling your account allows you to monetize your videos. Having at least one video approved for monetization makes you a YouTube partner. That's the reason we uploaded one video yesterday. Because if you don't have a video, you cannot become a YouTube partner. So I uploaded that video. If you upload one video, you are a YouTube partner. Okay, now we'll click enable my account. So I'm going to have to read all this garbage. Monetization revenues, payment account requirement, payment terms, taxes, termination. That talks about if you use other people's content, they'll terminate your account. The governing law. Okay, I've read and agree. I've already read this beforehand, but you make sure you read this, because if you don't read this and something happens, don't look back and say, oh, what if I would have read that? This might have not happened. So make sure you read this. It's not like iTunes terms and conditions. You can click that. You don't need to read that. This is serious. This involves money. When money is involved, it's important you read all the guidance and steps to see what you should not do and what you should do. Okay, I've read this. I agree. I will not click on Google ads. That's another thing. Do not click on your own adverts. I will not opt in for any content for monetization which I do not possess. If it's not your content and you monetize it, you're making money on other people's content, that's illegal. If you're under the age of 18, you cannot proceed with account monetization. I'm going to accept this because I am 21. How to monetize your videos. Monetize videos by clicking on the $ icon or by selecting monetize from the actions drop down menu. Okay, got it. Yes. Okay, so I'm now a YouTube partner. So if I go on dashboard, it should say here YouTube partner, but I'm just going to go on video manager, make this video public for the time being. Monetization tab is now available. If we go on advanced settings, if we go to basic information, make this public. Publish this. Now go to monetization, monetize with ads. By clicking here, I confirm that I own all elements of this video, or that I have sufficient commercial use rights for all audio and visual elements necessary to monetize this video. I understand that YouTube may require proof of commercial use rights, or may suspend my monetization or my account for repeated abuse of this system. I understand what is needed. Please do not show this message again. Yes, got it. Display ads, overlay ads, skippable video ads, save changes. Okay, I can go back. And there you see the $, it shows that it's monetized. So if I go to dashboard, there you go, I am now a YouTube partner. That's how you become a YouTube partner. Okay, so if I go to channel again, yes, view monetization settings. Should I go on that? Should I not? Let me see what happens when I click that. Alright, your account is enabled. You can enable or disable individual videos for monetization in the video manager. You can read all this on your own if you want to, guidelines and the information. So if I go back to dashboard, I am now a YouTube partner. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.